just tuning in, welcome. I'm just gonna put it upside down. You can see how good condensed glue gel is. So I'm gonna pick up a good amount of condensed glue gel and apply evenly onto the top of my nails. I'm gonna keep it right here. What should I do, everyone? Should I do a dragon scale, or should I do crystal bling these nails out? Okay, don't afraid to blend this one out, because you don't want to flood your crystal, but also you don't want to have it not enough that the crystal not going to stay. Wipe my brush off, which is all my extra glue gel is gonna be gone. Cap on, and I am using a no wipe top coat with condensed glue gel. I haven't cured yet, okay? So we're gonna floating technique. So if you are dragon scale and blinking, okay, Sarah girl, she's so artistic. I have a lot of designs that I seeing her and say, wow, Sarah, where did you get that idea from? Share with us. Sarah also will be one of our instructors there. She's had so many of experience, and also she's an artist herself. You get to learn so much from that lady. She's so driven and passionate. Always continue education. Like everywhere, every time I turn, if I'm travel, I see her and like, oh Nancy, I'm going to, like, where you going? Like, I can't keep up with her anymore. Which is how she really keep it up. And we are so excited and honored to have her and part of our team to share with every single of you, to take all the beginner or the experts who is really want to get into crystal game and become our master brand ambassador. So I'm using one of this piece, really metals art. I'm really freaking like it. I'm so obsessed with all of this. Let me do a big huge one. I'm so brave. I'm put the big one in, and now if I go into this one, I'm overwhelming. I said, hello, did you see me? Hi Karen, hi G Karen. Hi Miss Teresa, how are you? Hi G Karen, how are you? Dragon scale, okay G Karen, so what do a dragon scale? You gotta experience it yourself with this one, because at first, you know, it's a lot of you were asking, how long did that take you to get? No, not that much time, not that long. It's just my dedications and my heart and my passions. So it's driving me to really want to learn it so good, so I can share with every single of you. This is dragon scale. It looks difficult, but I promise with you, it looks so easy. One of the most easiest things to do, I think, probably because I really like it. I really love it. So it just love me right back, I guess. But the same thing, everyone can do this so easy. All right. And then also this you want to learn in the course too. And then in the master brand ambassador, you got to share that and train to your student and help all your students to be successful too. We're so excited to get to able to bring it to you, to support all of you. And you can bring it back to your state closer. Of course, want to be in travel in all different states, that to doing classes and the trade shows. But also, you know, you can host in your city with our support. Absolutely. Oh, it's so cute. Let me see. I'm gonna do it just right here, just right there. There you go. So fun. Ah, so funny. If I have it here, if you have it in the tray, here's I'm telling you a tip and trick I use all the time. Give it a little shake. All your dragon scale will just like turn it exactly what you want. Like exactly. Oh, I like that. Okay, now I see some a little cute smaller crystal right there. Put it right here. I love to place them right between my dragon scale. Hi everyone, I'm so happy to have all of you here today. Looks great. Missing something? I have something sticking my beads right there. I love this frame. I have that all the time with me. Oh, beautiful. I can't wait to see all of you doing a lot of different look. Everybody is so talented. I can't wait to get to see every single of you in the class. And the class is that, you know, the seats start filling up now. And if you have any questions regarding to class, do not hesitate to ask, because it's such a great investment, and absolutely you can ask any questions. I would like you to ask questions, or the company, any of the teams will be able to help you and answer any questions, okay? If you live closer to Michigan, about a few hours, you can drive there. Such a great an opportunity. I wouldn't miss it. I have to fly so many different states when I taking the classes. I do not miss it because I don't know when is the next class going to be same like that to be, you know, hosted. So I know everybody different, but if you can, you know, you should take the class, because you'll see amazing how it's gonna completely change your career to the next level. It's literally, you can see that right away after you're taking a course. It's not only give you a lot of ideas to doing a cool new art, also it take you like from a skills, how you can promoting your business on social medias, how you can able to like sharing and offer the clients from beginning, how they able, like a lot of you, we heard so many will say that my clients will never wing it, or the client's not wing it, so I'll never offer it. So if you're happy with this, I am going to keep it for 60 seconds. Are you happy with this now, everyone? Like literally you see me talking and doing it with you. I know. Does your company need a nails model? Cause I would like to doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna here and stay tuned, Jessica. When we have need the models and the events and stuff, or the class or stuff we are hosting closer, we will keep you posted. So keep stay tuned, and when we have the posting, we will let you know. Irene, I would love to go to another class, any gal from Ohio. Yes, Irene, yes, we do have, I believe, have a student in Ohio sign up for class quite a few weeks ago. And if you are like signing up for class, and then you also will receive, like right after you sign up for class, you will receiving your confirm, the email confirmation will have whole list of everything you should bring into class and what to expecting. And also you can able to email us, so then we can send emails out to all the students who would like to be, you know, company or you know, stay, if you are, it's like reserving to stay in the same hotel, to always like being, if all the hotel that we are sharing it with the information that in a walking distance, like you can walk, it's like within 10 minutes, or you can like take Uber for 5 minutes. So it's just right there. It's really convenient. And the big hair salon from one of our good friends, that is a really, really nice salon, and is hosting like all up to 30 of us. So it's great. So I'm curing, and it feels so nice. You don't feel any tacky at all, because I already have a no wipe top coat on the top of that. And next I am gonna be being double secure. Thank you, Dom. Dom, I'm so proud of you. You're gonna be so like excited and learn so much from the class, and I'm like really proud of you to take this to the next level. So I'm gonna do the little, and like a little exam right here, and I'm start feeling scratchy here, so I'm squeeze just a little bit. Every time you're feeling it, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. You don't need to like squeeze out so much. It's gonna flood your crystal, which is, we don't want that. We want it to just like blend in and go in and fill in all the gaps and the edges of the crystal, but we don't want to clear completely our crystal or cover it all up. I feel scratchy right here, which is the clients might catching their hair or their sweater or their clothes, or however, or maybe like in their jewelry that they're wearing. So I'm gonna do that and double check. Great. So I'm gonna put this on the sides using my twin tip brush, and using other in detail on twin tip brush. I'm gonna do really details and just blending all of the excess extras like precision glue off. Okay. This class is not only me got to host it, I got an opportunity working with really talented Sarah and Vicky. Vicky is a lead educator. You gotta meet that ladies in person. These two ladies to experience how amazing and talented they are. Like, it shocked you, because like every single of us already really passionate and talented. When you see in your friend, your peers, or even who trainer, is like, wow, you know, that's the first time I got to see Sarah beautiful work. So I'm blending it really nice, and I am gonna create this. I think I still have a little bit. I'm so OCD and really meticulous. And if you can't control it, right, is here the tip and trick. Go back to my no wipe top coat. I'm gonna take care of this nicely. Blend nicely. Only if I feel they are out of my control and I want to really a flawless look, right? And sometimes you see that you've done so nice, beautiful, and then all of a sudden when you put it in the pictures and then you zoom it, and you see all of the lumpy, bumpy. It's like, oh my God, we need to get that control right now. I think I'm good, and then we are gonna cure it for 60 seconds. This nails is gonna be done. Just a little something is stopping to that. Great. Looks beautiful, everyone. Yeah, Karen, look like Egyptian's pendant. It looks like that. I don't know. I'm just fall in love with that. It's just really stunning, and it's so simple to place them together. You will never go wrong with that. I just closed my red cap. I dropped the other cap, but I closed this. Just want to show with you. Yes, thank you, Sarah. Sarah mentioned is, does your this so awesome. I'm too excited to get mine. Thank you. Yes, Nails by Sarah. We're sharing it using codes SARAS to save 15% off most of the products on Glitz accessory and such. Thank you, Sarah, for mentioning that. Thank you, Sandra. When you add the gel like you're doing it now, will be sticky. No, it's not. It's a tag free, like a smaller, like you see, it's not at all. You clear